Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can use ChatGPT to make videos in minutes. So it's pretty fast and it's a great tool you can utilize to create videos way faster for your for social media, for your projects. So let's jump right into the video. Now the first thing that you have to do is we have to head over to ChatGPT, and here I'm going to show you how you can simply ask GDP to write for you a script. And as you can see here, I asked ChatGPT to write me a script for YouTube that's going to talk about the downsides of not exercising for adults between 30 to 50. So now here we have an answer, and that's the first step, just to ask GDP to write for you a script, and then you can ask ChatGPT for more detailed information, for more specific information. Okay, you're guiding now the AI, so the more you ask, more questions, the better answers you will get. And now let's see here, write a script that sounds more natural. That's another way to guide the AI, to guide ChatGPT. And then you can also ask if you want something more, not personal, but something that sounds more natural. Let's say, you are my friend. What advice would you give me to exercise more? And here's another paragraph that's a great source of inspiration to work on your script. And something really important to add here is that we don't just copy and paste the answers here, the paragraphs, the scripts. Just use this as your assistant, ChatGPT, so it will help you to create your script. So yeah, use it as just as your assistant, and then so you can create your script. And so you can do more research using this. And here there's another example. That's write this in a friendly way towards people. Okay, so you try to play with the words and be more specific as possible. The more specific you are, the better it is. So that's a really important step you have to make here, is to ask ChatGPT really clear questions or detailed questions, right? And then here's another example: transform this text into a script for YouTube. And here we have a great script, and you can then copy the script and then use your text editor and edit the script in your way, in your own way. And then now let's move. That's step number 3. And now let's move to this. And now here on this website, vape.io, this is a great website if you are creating a lot of social media content. I think is a pretty good tool to use. So now let's head over here. We have new video and click on create project. And now new video, create project, and here let's select blank canvas. Let's go to audio, text to speech, and here we can copy our text, our script, some parts of our script. That's just the beginning of our script. So I'll just use, for the purpose of this video, I'll just use the text from here that we generated, that we used from ChatGPT. But as I said before, just edit this text, don't just copy paste. So here, click now add to project, and here we have hold control and then the wheel on your mouse. Just use control so we can zoom out. Okay, and now we have the first text here. And if you click back to audio, here we can add another text to switch. And by the way, that's very important. If you want, you can also change the language. There's a lot of languages here available to use. And over here, we have also voice, so you can change the voice. Right? And now just copy the next text. Okay. And copy and paste and add the next paragraph. So I don't make this video too long and waste your time. You can then continue with the text to speech, the text with your script, and then you should move to the media, and here to stock videos. Here you can use for your content. Right? You can search, and you can also use here already available for you. And at the beginning of this video is talking about the offices. People are sitting down a lot, and you can grab a video and so you can synchronize that is showing how people are sitting down, like the visual stuff and also the text, so it's synchronized. Okay, so copy and add the video. All right. That's weird, but now we have here our text and the visuals as well, and just add stock footage. And then after you added your stock footage, then you should go to subtitles, and you can add auto subtitles in English, and then create subtitles. Excuse me. Okay, and now we have our subtitles. That's for sure. You can translate subtitles, you can style your subtitles, you can change customize. Let's actually make it a text color. You can also don't use any color if you want. I think this black, it's pretty good. And you can also add animation. Right. I think this one is more eye-catching. Okay. And you can change the style from here. You can add some delay and change the style. And if you're looking for some transitions, right down here you have transitions and filter. Okay, we can add a transition here. Okay, and then you can continue and add more stock footage. And we can add some filters. It's a pretty powerful tool, and you don't have, what I like about this, you don't have to download this tool to your computer, to your laptop, and it works fast, and it's not laggy at all, for at least for me. It works pretty well. For an editing software, if you think about it, that it's like in a browser. Okay, you can add some filters and you can also draw. So now after you finished editing your video, you can simply export and export video. And that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you, and if you have some questions, please let me know down in the comment sections. And thank you for watching this video. Take care.